We're putting a shotgun shell in the gun. We close the action, pull the trigger. At that point, the shotgun shell will open. Inside the shotgun shell, this part right here is called a primer, and it's a flint-like thing, like the Indians used to strike one rock on another. Inside the shotgun shell and right above the primer is gunpowder, and right above that is a pocket of air. Can you see it? Because fire needs air to burn. All right. So we have the primer, which is the explosive element, the gunpowder, which is the fuel, and then